Okay. What's your good name?
My name is Sonu Singh.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Sonu Singh from Prayagraj. I live in Manori. About my education, I have done graduation, and I am doing right now. I'm doing ITI. Apart from this, I am preparing for CCL. About my family background, my father's name is Vijay Singh, and he is a businessman. And my mother's name is Mrs. Jayanti Davis. He's a homemaker. I have no brother and four sister. About my hobbies, I like listening to read music. I like listening and to listening music and read newspapers. And about my, I want to be government employee.
Okay, you want to go government plan.
Yeah.
Okay, in which sector you want to go in government job?
I in income tax state.
Okay. So are you preparing for CGL?
Yes, I'm preparing for CCL.
Okay, how long it is since you're preparing for CGL? Means when did you start to prepare for CGL?
I prepared CCL. I prepared CCL in 2021.
2021.
Yeah.
So it has been long time. It has been 3 years.
Yeah.
What is in behind it? Why couldn't you get selection?
There are many reasons behind it because vacancies are not coming. Vacancies are not coming properly. And when vacancy came, I start my I start my preparation, but in there are four subjects, but in GS I am trying to best, but I don't try. I feel not good because GS is boring subject for me, and GS. So I so we I am not cracked CHL. I don't.
Okay.
I
Have
don't.
you also joined any coaching for this? You are preparing for CGL. You said for the last 3 4 years. You also joined any coaching?
Yeah. I joined coaching for in 2021 Winners Academy, and also online coaching. Oh, that is name Careerville. Okay.
Okay. According to you, online class is better or offline classes?
Uh, According to me, online class is best, but offline class is better.
Okay.
In comparison, online class is best because online classes who teach us is his many teachers experienced because online teachers online teachers is that teachers or when teachers who are selected in already exam and who is selected on exam is teaching now.
Okay. And what do you do?
I'm teaching and I'm studying.
Okay. What do you teach?
I teach also I teach then even I teach also I teach all subject, but my favorite subject is which I like it that is math and English.
Math and English.
Yeah.
And do you also teach English?
Yeah, I also teach English.
What do you teach? Grammar or
No,
language or literature?
I teach grammar and English literature also.
Okay. You can teach literature.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Mm.
But then why did you come over here? You were not able to speak when you came over here. You were not able to speak.
But
And right now you're speaking.
yes,
So what would you like to say? How many days have you completed today?
I complete 7 days in this coaching.
Okay, today you have completed 7 days.
Yeah, I
Okay,
complete.
that's good. So tell me something about your 7 day experience.
I About my experience, so I feel very well. Now I feel very well. Because in for a long time, I I when I came coaching, I feel very nervous like that. When you ask me about my introduction, I feel very nervous, and I don't I couldn't tell my introduction because the because which is very easy that in introduction any introduction which any is very easy. Introduction is that your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your hobbies, but when I stand I feel nervous, I felt nervous. Now I feel very well because anyone speaks me English, I will speak English all to all.
Okay, you want to learn English. That's why you have come over here.
Yeah.
I would like to know that why do you want to learn English?
Sir, I'm
What's
telling
the
you.
reason behind it?
Yeah, I'm telling you behind it. I there are many reasons behind it. I'm telling you, and first of all, I teach many students of CSC board, and students speaks to me English. I can't understand. I couldn't understand in their language, and I face many problems. And in English grammar, there are many sentences in used in literature. I couldn't understand their sense, their so, and also dear parents complain me if you are unable to speak English, I will dismiss you. And apart from this, I am preparing for CGL. So for CGL, this is very important. And if I can't speak English, I don't crack any interview of CGL. That's why
Okay.
I am interested.
One more thing you said that when people came over here, that time you were not able to speak English. You had many problems.
Yeah.
You had problem to interact with people. Means you would also teach students,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you had problem to teach them.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
their parent also had problem with you because you are not able to speak.
Yeah, yeah.
And what about right now? What are they saying? The parent of your
Yeah,
students.
yeah, I'm telling you, children should, their parents now speak their parents and is telling me uh, you are a very good teacher. Now you are a very good teacher because you are able to speak English. And I we are very happy to listen to your performance. And I feel very happy. Also, I feel happy.
Okay.
Yeah,
So how did you come to know about this coaching? There are many coachings
yeah, yeah.
at Manori
Hmm.
and also Puroti, but you came over here.
Hmm.
Who told you about this?
I told one day I was going, so I saw your poster. I noted the number, and then I called you about this coaching. So then you told me about this coaching. This coaching is running this coming batch. And also Baldev, who's my friend, he is living on now Delhi. And he also told me in this coaching, and he has joined this place also. So but uh, I will but I can't understand what I can do. So I decided one day, and I decided I will go to coaching and saw him what was going there. And I came to coaching and study. I feel very well.
Okay. So what about you? You also have went. It means you also have gone any other coachings?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm telling you. First of all, I think I will go DNA coaching. I will go. I so do DNA coaching, but
Which coaching?
I will go for. I will go. I want to go for DNA coaching, but
DNA coaching. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Very good to know.
yeah. Uh, but many friends were told me about this DNA coaching not so good coaching. And here English spoken is not so good. Dear teachers no, are teachers is not speaking English. Teachers is speaking Hindi. So uh, it is so irritating. I don't like this. I think I I joined that coaching whose teacher is speaking properly. And I when I came, I told I saw you are speaking your English very well, and you are speaking fluently. So I am impressed, and I joined this coaching.
Okay, that's very good. I would like to ask some more questions.
Yeah.
Suppose that if you don't get job,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
easier. Means if you don't qualify the exams.
Yeah, yeah.
So what will be your next step? What
Okay,
will you do?
I'm telling you, agar if I don't crack any job, any government job, so we I want I will get a teacher. Oh, sorry, I will
Teach.
I will teach for students. I will teach to students or more and more.
So how will
Because,
you teach? You will teach as a tuition, or you will
No,
in a coaching?
I will teach in coaching, but I teach in home coaching. Because I am teaching for 5 years.
Okay.
I get experienced.
Okay, you have 5 years experience of teaching
Yeah.
students. That's
I
good.
know teachers. Oh, sorry. I know teachers' feeling. I also I know teachers students' feeling.
Okay.
When anyone students came to me, I will he when the, he when any student came to me, see he is very weak, and now when we are study to me, he
Okay,
is
then you teach them.
to teach them, he is very strong in
Okay.
math, English, like that, all subject.
Okay, that's good. That's nice. I would like to ask you some more questions.
Yeah,
Do
okay.
you like politics?
Yes, I like politics.
Who is your favorite politician?
My favorite politician is Modi ji.
Modi ji,
Yeah.
Prime Minister Modi.
Yeah, Prime
Okay.
Minister Modi.
So can you please tell me something about Prime Minister Modi?
Okay,
Why do you like Modi ji?
okay, I'm telling you. uh, First of all, Modi is a great politician, and his full name is Narendra Damodar Das Modi, and he's the one of the leader who stay only developments, and he he is fifth prime he is fifth Indian prime minister, and in election, now in this election, he gained 290 seats out of 453, but in comparison of in comparison of 2020, he gained less seats because of many reasons. The one reason behind it, he made in for a long time. So UP constitutional vacancies and vacancies postponed. Many young people angry with Modi ji, and he didn't vote Modi ji. He didn't vote Modi ji. So Modi ji gained less seats now.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is all right.
Yeah.
What is
And
reason behind in UP?
okay.
In UP, BJP got very less seat.
Yeah. I'm telling you, in
Last time they got I think 63 plus.
yeah.
But this time they got at least 33 or something else.
Yeah, 33.
What is it? Why they didn't get 30 more?
There is many reason behind it. First of all, uh, you in UP, there are many young peoples who is not who is who he has no work. He has no work. Anyone that is no. He's studying more and more,
They study.
they study and more, but they will not get the job in they will not get any job because of vacancies are come not there. Vacancies are not there. Vacancies are not there in UP because and uh, now many private and in UP any private companies not there. Many company, and UP Modi had done many works in UP, but he has not he has not done any works for young peoples. So yeah, so young peoples has not voted Modi ji yet. So that's why Modi ji lets it is.
You mean to say that Prime Minister Modi is not doing anything for young people, but he already has said that he has released so many vacancies for the young people who are youth.
Yeah.
In private sector. So private jobs are not jobs according to you?
Private jobs are people. Private jobs are very good jobs because in private jobs you when you go into private jobs, and then private jobs is not so good for those people because who is lazy.
Okay.
Who is lazy?
It's all right.
Yeah.
You said it is not good. I would like to ask you just said one thing. Like many people are there, they are against Modi ji because Modi ji is doing against them. According to them, they say that Modi government, it is they are favoring privatization.
Yeah.
They are in the favor of privatization. What do you want to say? Are they doing good?
Yes.
Do you support privatization or not?
I am support all and all. I support every year and every when when Modi ji next year when Modi ji so still prime minister, I voted again. And in this
But people are not getting job. You said already people are not getting job. That's why they are not voting. Means they are not voting for Modi.
yeah. So but
He is good.
no, oh
He is giving private jobs.
yeah.
People say private job is not good for them. Tell, what do you think about this?
About my thinking, uh, some people's some people think some people think people Modi ji has Modi ji has done only Hindus. Modi ji had
Modi ji does only Hindu Muslim.
does only Muslim, and none of these. But you can't. Here thinking is wrong, because Modi ji has done all and all people says like that. Hindu Muslim, he has इन्होंने sorry uh, Modi ji made all house for Muslims. Modi ji made for house for Muslim. Modi ji made toilet for
Okay.
poor, and Modi ji made roads, and Modi ji made bridges.
It means that you are happy
Yeah,
with this government.
I'm happy.
According to
I'm
you,
also
Modi
happy.
government is doing very good job.
Yeah.
Right now.
Hmm.
Okay, that's good. I will ask you some question about what are your hobbies? You please tell me something. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is I like I don't like any sports. I like reading books, and I, sometimes I like to roam, and in the evening I like to walk. I look for a walk in the garden. Sometimes I go to the station. I go to Manor station and for walk.
Which is your favorite place where you have visited?
Yeah. My favorite place, the who I am going, and that is
Where, not who.
where that is hills, rivers. I like natural. I like naturally. Who is God gifted.
You like natural beauty.
Yeah, natural beauty who is God gifted.
Have you ever gone to hill areas?
Yeah, I went to hill areas last year. I went to hill areas. I went to Meher. I went to
You went to Mayhar.
yeah.
Okay, that's good. You like Mayhar?
Yeah,
That
I
place
like.
is fantastic.
Yeah, then I like Meher. That is very fantastic place.
Okay.
I like, and I went to Chitpur also. I went to Banaras, and I went to all around. I went to Gaya.
That's all. And you said one thing that you like reading books,
Yeah,
and that is also part of your hobby.
yeah.
Which is your favorite book?
My favorite book, my favorite book that who is I am studying, that is story. Story, yeah.
Is there any particular name? Like many people are there, they have their favorite books they like.
Story that is Ramayana. Like I like this Ramayana, and ooh, that is Quran. That is Ved. And I
Also the
don't.
Quran.
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. You believe in all religions. That's very nice. Okay, let's discuss about then about this coaching. What do you think? If what should people do for learning English according to you?
Yeah. I am telling you. Uh,
There are many people in our country. There are many people in this area. They want to learn English. What should they do? How can they learn English, and what would you advise them?
First of all, no, first of all, I advised those peoples who want to learn English in this coaching and in this area. First of all, any pupils who want to learn English, oh,
They.
they they study grammar, English grammar very well, and in- then teach, teach, and English is very
See, I'm asking for only for spoken English.
okay.
Okay, for grammar. there are many people, many teachers, they
Yeah.
know very well about grammar. They are not able to speak.
Yeah, yeah.
How can you say that grammar is most important part for learning English?
No, no, grammar is not part. Grammar is a part of listening, but it is not important. It is less important, but it is most important. It is not most important.
Okay. So that's why I'm asking you, what would you like to suggest people? What should they do? How can they learn spoken English?
Okay, okay, okay.
Like you came over here,
Mm-hmm.
what should they do?
Okay, okay. First of all, people who wants to learn English, they they came in this coaching and meet you and I just advise many I advise all pupils to want to learn English. I mean because English is very important in digital area, in digital India, and when you are when you are going anywhere, English is compulsory. When you meet Englishman, you speak Englishman. Englishman is speaking English, and agar you if you if you learn if you don't if you learn English, you will speak, and that's all.
That's good.
Mm.
You said you also teach grammar.
Yeah,
So do you also want to be a teacher?
yeah. I want to be
Already you are a teacher.
Yeah,
Do
yeah.
you want to be a government teacher?
No, I don't want to be government teacher because government teacher is not a teacher. I like to for me. He is very lazy.
They are.
They are very lazy. They when they are in school, they fell asleep.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
But you don't feel, you are young, you means you don't feel sleep. Why don't you, they feel sleep? Doesn't matter, you know.
Yeah.
What has you got to do with them? You can.
But I
be a
don't
teacher,
like
you can teach.
government teacher. I like teachers. I like who teacher. They are working hard for students. Like that you like that so Kumar sir that like that, so he is working hard and he make a name for he make a name he make a name for our and he taught many students, and government teachers only taught government teachers only taught for like that more than 50 100 students, but private teachers taught more than 100
Teach.
more.
Teach.
Government teachers teach 200 300 students, and he became very famous now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They become very famous. Yeah, in that side you said that at the beginning. It's all right. Now today you need 7 days.
Yeah.
Still you have more than 2 months time. What do you think? What is your expectation from this coaching? What do you want to? What should you get from here, and what can you get right now? What are you thinking? In 7 days you learn. Now you believe that you can do something on that. So in
Yeah.
upcoming more than 2 months you have. What would you do?
Sir, I feel very well and in this coaching, and in 7 days, and I learned many things about spoken batch, and in earlier days, sorry, in earlier days
I know you have told it's all right. It's all right. But I'm asking now, what would you do in upcoming days?
Oh.
You have more than 2 months time. What is your expectation from me?
When I comes daily in this coaching, I feel I became very good speaker because I you work so hard for me, and I work hard also, and in this is I learned I want to learn that English who is that which is you which is learn which you studying me.
Okay, that's good. Definitely, I will teach you. You will have to work hard because it is not difficult over here. English is very easy
Yeah.
for anyone, over here. Because I have a very easy timing of teaching, very
Yeah.
well. I have taught you tense, and within 7 days, I will be able to speak right now. You're speaking, and so many classes are left will be taught in future.
Yeah.
And you keep on practicing, come daily. Definitely, you will be a fluent speaker in this language. You won't have any kind of problem. You just come daily. Whatever I say, you just go do, and you complete your homework. And after some days, I'll start a topic, and it is most important for you to practice on topic. The more you practice on topic, the better you will be. So you keep on practicing, and definitely you will be better.
Okay, sir.
It was nice to talk to you, but I will ask you. I would like to ask you some more questions.
Yeah.
Okay, that related to your life.
You can ask. You can ask.
What do you want to say about the private job and government job? Many people say that private job is good. Some people say the government job is better. According to you, which is better, government job or private job?
I think private job is better. Private job best, and government job is better. But private job is best because private job salary is not defined. Salary is not defined because salary is 25,000 and salary 30,000 and salary is 1 lakh more than. But so I suggest many people to get private job, and first of all he works hard for education, and he gets degree just like that, BTC, and he gets job, private job. And in government job we can tell, I can tell government job. On government job is government job is permanently job. Government job is permanently, but
Government job.
yeah, in government job salary is defined like that, 25,000 in after 1 year, 30,000 after 2 year. So that is
Salary increases.
yeah, increases, but
Year by year.
last in last that is salary is that 19,000 1 lakh plus. Here now uh, if you retired, you will not get pension.
Okay.
uh,
You know very well that private job is better than government job. Then why do you want to get government job? You should go for private sector. You said I want to be an industrial officer. I want preparing for CGL. Why
it's
looking
but
for
sir
that? You should
sir
also go to government
first of
job.
all, sir, I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm telling you, first of all, sir, uh, you, I want to in government job I want to it's my passion. But now I am irritating our government job because government job is uh, government job has take many days,
It takes much time.
take much time, or like the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year.